guys, and welcome back to Cozy Co, or welcome if you're new. I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge and refrigerator. It's been probably about a couple of months since I have cleaned out the refrigerator since we first moved. It's not too bad, but we have a fresh round of groceries coming in, and I just want to get it nice and clean. I know for a fact that there is some old food in there that I need to throw out, so let's go ahead and just clean that up right away.
So I'm going to be starting in with my freezer, and of course the first step is to take everything out. And I just wanted to show you guys a quick before shot. So it was pretty bad, and for my cleaning I'm just going to be using a damp microfiber cloth and then this special spray that I talked about a few videos ago. So the freezer was actually pretty easy, but now just repeating the process with my fridge, and I knew that this was going to give me a little trouble.
Alright guys, the fridge and refrigerator is finally clean. It felt so good to get that all done. It was actually a lot dirtier than I thought, so I'm glad I got that taken care of. Now I have all of the groceries behind me, and I was going to give you guys just a quick grocery haul showing you guys kind of everything that we got this round, and just giving you guys a few ideas when you go grocery shopping. But real quick before we get into this grocery haul, so speaking of groceries, I especially made this little grocery list printable, and if you guys would like to get this, then I'm going to leave a link in the description box that'll send you the PDF. And also don't forget to comment, send it to me so I know that you have signed up in the description box, so you make sure that you get your printable. And it is Cozy Co design with the marble and the rainbow, like you guys know that I like. And the difference between mine and some other ones that I've seen, where I ordered mine by kind of how a kitchen would be. So we have our frozen stuff, the freezer stuff, pantry, produce, meat, household. You can also put some meal ideas on here like I have. And I've designed it like this because I feel like this is how I check my inventory when I prepare a list. So I look at all the frozen things I have, stuff in the freezer. I look at what I have in the pantry. So it's easier to make your list this way so that you are making sure that you get everything that you need. And also, when you go to put things away, this will also help with that. So you can use this for grocery lists. You can use this to take inventory of stuff you already have. Of course, it has the meal ideas on there. So like I said, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description, and also comment, send it to me or done, so that I know that you use that link in the description box, and you will get your free grocery list printable. I also have more of these coming out, and if you guys want any specific type of printable, please let me know in the comments below. So starting with some of the freezer stuff, we get these crinkle cut fries, use those for burgers, sandwiches, white chip macadamia nut cookies, mozzarella sticks. You guys know I love these. I talk about these on my Instagram all the time. And then of course we got shrimp. We go through this like crazy. Got 2 bags of that. Eggos, we keep Eggos always, frozen waffles, so I just got an extra box for us. And then these Jimmy Dean croissants, sausage, egg, and cheese. He likes these. I don't really do those. Frozen burritos, same, those are for him. I don't do those. On to some refrigerator stuff. Here are the Lunchables, nacho cheese dip and salsa kind. Do you guys remember eating these as a kid? He still really loves these. I'll have some sometimes, but I don't really care for them that much anymore. Velveeta cheese, this is like a staple. I just have to have this. Beef sausage, turkey pepperoni. I'll use this for pizza or for little charcuterie snacks. Turkey bacon, this is the kind I get, the butterball. It's so good. We go through this really quick as well. These turkey sticks, they're pretty much for the pups, so we'll give them this as a snack or a treat. I did get a Roma tomato. We want to have BLTs, and I'm the only one who eats tomato, so I just got one. And then chicken breasts, we just got 1 pack, but we will go through this probably in like a week. Now on to some pantry items. Linguine pasta and elbow pasta are what we needed this round. Funfetti cupcake mix, we love having those. Tomato sauce, I use this for pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, everything. I just make it myself with tomato sauce. So I just grab a huge can of this to have on hand. Black beans, we're gonna do chipotle bowls. And then chicken pot pie soup, as well as potato soup we like to have with sandwiches. This mesquite marinade mix, I've showed a recipe in this. I'll leave that link in the description box, but we love this stuff. We had some parsley that we needed. Also, we found the last jar of Alfredo sauce at our store. I've been looking for this for weeks. We love our tortellini pastas and our Alfredo pastas, so I'm so happy that we got this. This is like one of the larger jars, so we're gonna try to make this spread. And then some snacks. He likes these little blueberry muffin bites. Tostitos, I'll eat this for the chipotle bowls or just with cheese and dip. We love these fruit snacks, the mega pack, just to have them. We go through these pretty quick too because we take them to work and stuff. Our oils, we do canola and then olive oil for cooking pretty much. Needed some ranch. I pretty much put this on everything, so we had to re-up on that. Syrup for breakfast or waffles and stuff. And then some of the breads, flour tortillas. We'll use these for our quesadillas, and I'm thinking about making enchiladas, so I got some of these. We just get some white bread, this is the kind, and then some fresh brioche bread that we use for French toast. And then one of my favorite snacks and candy is Twizzlers, so I had to get a pack of that for this grocery run. Also got a bunch of these hot and spicy cup of noodles. We like to have these. And then we also get a bunch of these Minute Maid juices. Peach Punch is our favorite. If you haven't tried this, definitely go out and get this. You'll never want to drink anything else. So we got peach, fruit punch, as well as the tropical. So that is everything that we got, all the groceries that we got this run. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, hanging out with me while I clean my refrigerator and gave you guys a quick grocery haul. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation to tackle your fridge and refrigerator, and that you got some grocery ideas. If you're new here, don't forget to click the thumbs up so that I know to make more videos like this, and also don't forget to subscribe for more cozy content, and I'll see you guys in my next video.